Hello everyone, I hope you all are having a great time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of opening a checking account in Fifth Third Bank. So make sure to watch this video till the end in order to find out how you can do so. First of all, go to the web browser of your choice and in the address bar type www.fivethree.com and hit it. You'll then be redirected to the official website of Fifth Third Bank. Now, to open an account, you can directly click here, or you can go to the bank section and then go to checking accounts. As you scroll down, you'll be able to see the number of checking accounts made available by Fifth Third Bank. Select the type of checking account you'd like to apply for. For instance, if you would like to go with this, then click on Apply Now right here. If you already have an account, then you need to enter your account details, that is your user ID, password and offer code if you have one. After that, click on Login. And if you don't have it, click on Get Started. So you will be provided with the list of items that will be required to apply online. Make sure all of these information are ready and then click on I am ready. Now enter your primary email, zip code and offer code. Entering offer code is optional. Once you have entered it, click on Continue. After that, follow the further instructions provided, and finally, you'll be able to open a checking account in Fifth Third Bank. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, How to Geek. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye-bye.